Going Up. Written by Sherry J. Lee. Illustrated by Charlene, Chua. Today, Dad and I are invited to a party on the 10th floor. From Francesca Pianotto to Leonard and Sophie, you are invited to Olive's birthday party. Where? 10th floor party room. When? Saturday from 2 to 4 p.m. Dad and I baked our favorite cookies this morning to take to the party. Molasses with jam in the middle, like a sandwich. It's my grandma's recipe. We put them on a special plate. Dad holds the plate for me so I can push the button. Ding! Going up. The elevator stops on the 2nd floor. When the doors open, the Santucci brothers, Andrew and Pippo, are waiting to get on. Hey, little bit. Pippo always calls me little bit. Going up. The elevator stops again on the 3rd floor. It's Vicky, Babs, and their dog, Norman. Norman, I love you too, I say, laughing. Going up. On the 4th floor, the elevator stops again, and this time it's Mr. and Mrs. Habib from 407 with their grandkids, Yasmin and Jamal. They're holding a big bowl of gulab jamun. We made your favorite, you two, says Mrs. Habib. Dad and I grin at each other and high five. Just as the door is closing, wait for me! Oh, hi, Mr. Kwan. Come on in, Andrew says, holding the door open for him. Going up. The whole Flores family gets in on the 5th floor. Miguel, Anna, Samuel, Raul, Cleopatra, and baby Jade. Hey guys, says Raul, we have our dancing shoes on. Should I put you on my shoulders so there's more room, Soph? Asked Dad. Going up. When the elevator stops on the 6th floor, it's Vi Tweedle and her chihuahua, Minx. Minx is carrying her yellow ball in her mouth. She never goes anywhere without her yellow ball. Lovely to see you, Vi, says Miguel. You are a picture. Going up. No one gets in on the 7th floor. On the 8th, we have to hold the elevator while Grace and Arnie get in with their instruments, a clarinet and a bass. Arnie is wearing his sparkly glasses and a pork pie hat. Yikes, says Vi. Can we all fit? They squeeze in. Everyone is giggling. Going up. The elevator stops on the 9th floor. Uh-oh, I say. Everyone take a deep breath in, says Mrs. Habib. It's Nori. Squeeze in, Nori, says Vicky. Going up. Ding! The elevator stops on the 10th floor. The doors open. Happy birthday, Olive! The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that reading of Going Up by Sherry J. Lee. This is yet another entry in the Blue Spruce Awards. a nominee for the Blue Spruce Awards for 2021. More information will be down into the description. But I've read a few of these books already, and I plan to read them all. They're all really good books, and you can see why. I really enjoyed this book. I love the diverse, multicultural, multi-generational kind of, residents of this building, all being invited, all celebrating together, all having fun together. And it's just great to see different people getting along, trying to squeeze into an elevator. I don't think the elevator can hold that many people and pets, but maybe it's a very special elevator. I really enjoyed this book. Let me know if you liked it as well. You can go to my monthly roundup videos to leave comments to let me know if there's any other books you'd like me to read. I love hearing from you and getting your suggestions. Until next time, I have been Elvin for e-reading. Please be gentle and kind with one another. Bye now.